Welcome to Travelling with the BCs. If you're new here, we're all about planned adventures with a playful twist. And this time we're cruising through Italy, Croatia and Montenegro aboard the Celebrity Constellation. She's not the newest ship in the fleet, but she's new to us, and we're kicking things off with a proper cabin tour. Stick around till the end because we'll be showing you some of the retreat perks that come with this Sky Suite. And trust me, they're worth it. Come on in and let's have a look at Sky Suite 8121. We had an adapted cabin for this Mediterranean adventure. It's spacious, smartly laid out and designed with accessibility in mind. There's plenty of room to relax and recharge. As you step into the cabin, you're greeted by a full-length mirror, ideal for outfit checks before heading out to dinner or dodging the paparazzi. Well, that's if you're lucky. On either side of the bed, we've got bedside tables with lamps and 2 drawers. Perfect for hiding those late night snacks or that book you swear you'll finish by the end of the cruise. The wardrobe's impressively roomy, ideal for storing cruise wear, dinner outfits, excursion gear, and the 14 just-in-case shirts we absolutely didn't need to pack, but we did anyway. There's also a storage cupboard complete with safety deposit box and plenty of drawers for stashing everything from swimwear to souvenirs. Under the TV you will find the minibar, and yes, this was kept topped up throughout the cruise, soft drinks, water, and maybe a few cheeky extras, all ready and waiting whenever we needed a little refresh. Further into the cabin there's a cosy seating area with 2 chairs and a table, plus a writing desk with its own chair and a tea making setup. Because nothing says sweet life like sipping a cuppa while taking in those breathtaking views from the balcony. Or if you're like me and you don't like a cuppa, then maybe a Pepsi Max or a Coke Zero. Powering up is no problem in this cabin, 2 European sockets and 2 US ones, and just enough space to argue over who gets the charging spot first. Whether you're juicing up a camera, a laptop, or just your phone for endless port pics, you're covered. Just don't forget your adapters if you're mixing and matching. On our balcony we had 2 chairs and a table and a little sofa, which meant it was still serving up those front row seats to Italy, Croatia and Montenegro. Now let's have a closer look at the bathroom. This is a bathroom that knows how to cruise. It's a full wet room which has plenty of space to move, no awkward corners, and everything designed with comfort and accessibility in mind. From the rolling shower to the generous counter space, it's got that blend of practicality and polish that makes getting ready feel like part of the holiday. As this is a Sky Suite, then you do get upgraded toiletries, because when you're sailing through Italy, Croatia and Montenegro, your shampoo should smell as fancy as your itinerary. It's not just a cabin, it's our launchpad for the exciting journey ahead. Travelling in a Sky Suite within the retreat on Celebrity Cruises unlocks a premium experience with exclusive perks, elevated service and luxurious spaces designed for suite guests. Here is a list of the top benefits in our opinion. We just wanted to say thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to subscribe and keep an eye out. There's loads more coming soon from our latest Mediterranean adventure with the BCs.